Okay, guys, today I'm teaching you the power of 14 kola nuts and an egg. Yes, the powers of 14 kola nuts and an egg. You can use it to destroy what is working against you, or you can use it to get what you want from the spiritual realm. 14 kola nuts, one egg. That's what I'm going to teach you today. This is a mystery and a very powerful one that most spiritually wouldn't want you to know, because if you know, probably you might not come for them again. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you one hit secret today. You have to know that most of the secret I give is 100% true, tested and trusted, and you will not find them in any channel except here. So I'm going to teach you how you use 14 kola nut and a egg to get anything you want. Okay, and it work fast, and how to make it work fast. Okay, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important video from me. And if you find this video helpful, bang, hit that like button. Okay, and I want you to guys to know everything, that nothing work without the permission of Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth. Nothing work without his permission. Yes, nothing work without his permission. And that which is holding us from getting what we want from God is our fear and doubt. Okay, if you can overcome your fear and doubt, you can get anything you want, and anything you try or use, it will work for you, because the fear and doubt is the basic thing that the devil are using against us. Yeah, fear and doubt is the basic thing that is stopping things to work for me. Okay, do this and how you can also use it to overcome fear and doubt. Let's take a little break. People call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you come across this particular video today. And if you find this video, the first thing you should say, God, thank you, I found this video, because I'm going to teach you something that is going to change your life for good by special grace of Almighty God. I post tested and trusted stuff. I don't create stuff like others do. Okay, I'm not trying to criticize others. Be careful what you do. Be careful from what you see in a channel and you practice. Because some I saw, I'm not trying to discourage you for anything or try to say I'm the best. No, I am not the best, and neither do I believe anybody is better than me. Be careful what you practice, because there are some things I'm seeing. And sometimes I will say do this, of which is even going to add to your problem. So it's not everything you see out there you should try. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how you can use kola nut and egg to get everything you want. So if things are not working out perfectly for you, or maybe in your business place, maybe you believe that someone has done a work which is working against you, because they want to do that. There are some people quite all right. Okay, maybe you have a business or you are working with somebody. Some people are envy you. They see that people are buying more from you. All they have to do is to just go and do work that will make people to stop seeing your shop. So instead of people to see your shop, they would rather see their shop. That means they will block your shop spiritually, so that people might not be noticing you. So this is what you are going to do. Okay, and if you have a wife or you have a husband, and you believe maybe you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, you believe somebody is trying to take him or her away from you, and you believe that person have done some spiritual work that is making them to leave you. Okay, you are going to do this. Okay, even if it's your husband or your wife that have leave you, and you want your ex to come back. Okay, you are going to do this, and they work perfectly for it. All you need for this is just 14 kola nut and one local egg. I repeat, 14 kola nut and one local egg. It doesn't matter it's going to be red kola nut, it doesn't matter it's going to be white kola nut. Just get 40 kola nut. This particular one, you're not going to need a kola nut that has 3 pieces. You need kola nut that have 2 pieces. Now the one the house has called goro. Yes, you need the one that has 2 pieces, not the one that has 3 pieces. Okay, because you need to open it once. Okay, yes. After you have gotten your 40 kola nut, then the next you need to do, get your local egg. Yes, when I say local egg, an egg as in that come about as a result of mating. Like all those agric egg, they come about from as artificial fertilization. They use chemicals to fertilize the egg. Okay, but local egg, a male has to climb a female, which means is the garment of the two opposite sex. Okay, that's why you need local egg. Really, an egg from a chicken that move and feed naturally. Okay, after you have gotten your local egg, then you keep them, then you get white cloth, like a white yard. Okay, after you have gotten the white yard you needed for this, it must not be big. Okay, then you wait till the night. Even if it's not white cloth, even if it's just paper, you get white paper is fine. You wait till the night. Then in the night, you hold one kola nut. You make your prayers on it, everything you want and how you want it to be. When you're done, when you're done making the prayer, when you're done making the prayer, you open the kola nut. Then you take another kola nut again. Pray what you want on it. Then you open the kola nut. Then you take the third kola nut. For example, I want from today on, money will be coming to me. My business is above, my workplace. This is what will happen. Or this court case I have. These are what you to work. These are what you to do. Anything at all you want. I want my S back. I want promotion. I want anywhere I do go. Let me get good luck. I want favor, messages and blessing. I want money to last long in my hand. I want to be appreciated anywhere I find myself. I want people to love me unconditionally. I want this, I want that, I want this. So anyone you take anyone, you make your prayers on it, you open it. You take another one, you make your prayers on it, you open it. The one that has two pieces now, so you just open it once. Then you get another one, you pray on it, you open it. So this is how you're going to make prayers on the particular note while you're opening it. As you're opening it, you'll be keeping it back on the white cloth you keep on the ground, or the white paper you keep on the ground. Then when you are done, then you also hold the egg, make your prayers on it. When you are done making prayers on the egg, then you keep it on top of those 14 kola nuts that you have successfully opened. Then you take them. You can do this at home. Then you take it. You can just use your white cloth to wrap them, hold them with your right hand. Then you go. Then you go to a road where you know that